Hi everyone, today you're going to be joining me as I try working with sublimation ink for the first time. I set up a printer yesterday, and so today we're going to be making puzzles, and let's see if it works. I don't think it needs to bleed. I wanted some pretty good quality. Standard vivid? Yeah, sure. Okay, so I'll send it to my trusty printer. The reason why I call it black sub is because it's a black printer and it's for sublimation. And then my other printer is white standard. Because one's a black printer, one's a white printer, but they're both the exact same brand. Now, I've never done sublimation before, so from what I've been told, it's supposed to look a little bit not bright or vivid, because when you're done using it, I guess the color shows up after you're done cooking it. So let's move on to step 2. Okay, so I've got our image. I cut it out. It does look dull. Apparently it will look brighter. We'll see. So you're going to need some heat tape. Get this on Amazon. I can put the link in the description below. And you're going to need some of these puzzles. This puzzle's really pretty. I don't know why, but I think I got glitter puzzle. Don't need that. Anyway, so what you're going to do is you're going to carefully flip your puzzle over, place it where you want it. Okay. Made the image just a tad too small, I think, but I think it'll still look okay. After you're done doing that, you're going to be taping it into place, and you're going to really want to get this tape. There we go. This is a heat tape. And just tape it in place so your image doesn't slide around. And again, this is my first time ever doing this. I did watch some videos. I read some information about how to do this, but it's still my first time. You're going to flip it over. Make sure everything's in place. Okay. Cover it with my heat resistant material. There we go. And then I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press. Okay, now that it's ready, we're going to put our Cricut Easy Press on there. And I'm going to set it for 60 seconds. Do 53 seconds. Okay. And then we let it go. I'll also say that this is the first time I've used my Cricut Easy Press. I got this for Christmas a month ago. The kids have been home. Yeah, this is from doing the sublimation ink. Apparently, I had a hole in my glove. Who knew? So, I got the Easy Press for Christmas. Kids were busy. They've been home homeschooling. The schools have been closed, and our house had COVID. Yay. And then, so now they're back at school. I can try this. I can convert that printer over there to sublimation. Done and done. Let's hope that this thing works. All right, now that it's cooked for long enough. I'm gonna do a little roll on that. Because I don't know if it's necessary, but I feel like rolling it would be a good idea, and I love using this little thing. It's still covered in the plastic that I bought it with. Got it from the dollar store. But it works well to flatten things out and push things into grooves, just in case. Now, let's hope and pray that this worked. Because it would suck if it didn't. If it doesn't work, then I'll be making another video on how to do it properly. Alright. Okay. Because clearly, if I didn't do this right, then there's a reason. Right? Let's see. Oh my gosh! It worked! And it's beautiful! Oh my goodness! My kids are gonna love this! Wow! Okay, so clearly you don't need to be a seasoned professional to do this. The colors are vibrant. It still retained that shine and sparkle. You see the sparkles in her face and in their skin. It still retained all the shine, all the sparkle from behind it. It's definitely much brighter than it was on this image. Clearly there was something right there. So make sure that your surfaces are clean before you do it. Clearly. But yeah, heat tape, sublimation printer ink. You can make your own sublimation printer. It's very easy. You can take any EcoTank printer that you put your own ink in and convert it into a sublimation printer. If you guys want me to, I can do a video on that. It's already done, so I can't show you a step-by-step, but I can explain on how to do it. Yeah, I'm so happy with how this turned out. I hope that you guys love this as much as I love this, because it's beautiful. Now let's do it. Let's do the thing. Gotta make sure that our puzzle turns into a puzzle. Oh, okay. Sorry. Geeking out. So happy with how this turned out. Now, I'm going to be putting this in a box. And then I'm going to put the picture on the box of what it looks like when it's done. Oh, that's so satisfying. Do it again. Yes. I broke her head. Snap that back in. And this was just really quick explanation on how to make these from the perspective of a person who's literally never done it before. And it is wonderful. Sublimation printers are fantastic. If you don't have one, maybe you should invest in one. If you can't invest in one, then ask a friend if they already have the printer or the ink. You could probably do this with an iron. I'm happy that I have the Easy Press, but prior to the Easy Press, I was doing every decal with a regular standard household iron, and it worked. And this stuff actually came for free with the HTV that I ordered. Almost every time I order HTV, I get a few of these for free. And they're great. I love them. I don't know what they're called. Paper. Called heat transfer paper. I assume. Anyway, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you guys mean the world to me. Bye!